1 Minute Japanese, Lesson 2.
こんにちは。Hello everyone.
Welcome back to 1 Minute Japanese, where we're teaching the basics of Japanese 1 minute at a time. My name is Mark.
And I'm Yoshiko.
Last time, we learned how to greet people and say goodbye. In this lesson, we'll learn some useful words in Japanese which you'll use every day.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In Lesson 2, you'll learn 4 words and phrases which will take you far in any language. The first of these is the word for yes. Yoshiko, can you say yes in Japanese?
はい。
Okay, that's fairly straightforward. Let's repeat this again after Yoshiko.
はい。
One more time.
はい。
Good. Now, the word that goes with yes is, of course, no. The Japanese word for no is?
いいえ。
Listen again and repeat this after Yoshiko.
いいえ。
Now, being polite is very important in Japanese. Indeed, we could probably do a whole podcast series on just being polite. For just now, we'll just learn simple versions of thank you and you're welcome. Yoshiko, can we hear thank you, please?
ありがとう。
Let's hear that again.
ありがとう。
One more time.
ありがとう。
Arigato is used really for informal situations, with friends and family and so on. If you are in a more formal situation, you're better to use the phrase,
ありがとうございます。
listen to that again more slowly.
ありがとうございます。
And if you use the phrase arigato or arigato gozaimasu with someone, then they're very likely to say you're welcome or don't mention it. Now, the easiest way of saying this is using the same word that we learned earlier for no. That was,
いいえ。
there is another way of saying you're welcome, and that's perhaps more formal. Have a listen to this.
どういたしまして。
Listen to this phrase again.
どういたしまして。
So now you can say thank you and don't mention it. That's almost us for this show. Before we finish, there's one other word we're going to mention here, and that's the word for and. In Japanese, to say and, you can say,
そして。
so now we can say thank you and goodbye.
ありがとう。そして、さようなら。
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.